Hello everyone, this is Rohit Dodam and welcome to my channel Padma Yoga. In today's session, I am going to demonstrate Matsyasana. Matsyasana in English we called as a fish pose. Matsya, these words come from Sanskrit, that is a fish, and pose means our asana. So when you do this asana, it looks like a fish pose. So it looks like a fish. So whatever quality have a fish, so you will get all quality in this asana. And this asana, what you require, this asana you require Padmasana. It is very important. If you have a good practice in Padmasana, so you can do this asana. You need benefits wise, if you see, it stretches your throat and face muscles. It helps to glow your skin. Then it stretches your back muscle, neck muscles. It's really, it will help to stretch. Then it helps to stretch your knee, hamstring as well. And it helps to reduce your weight because when you back bend, in that case, abdominal muscle will get stretched. So that's the reason it helps to reduce weight as well. Okay, let's start our session. So first is precaution. If you have any injury like knee, not knee. If you have any injury like neck and back, so please don't try this. You can take your doctor advice when you can start, and based on that you can watch my video and you can. Okay. So precaution we completed. Next is warm-up. What warm-ups are required? For fish pose, neck and back, these two warm-ups are mandatory. So let's start from neck warm-up. Sit in Vajrasana. Okay. Keep your hand on me. Now close your eyes. Step 1, rotate your knee, your head to right side and left hand side. Okay. Second is forward and backward direction. I will show you. First, inhale, take a deep breath. Through exhalation, turn right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Again, take a deep breath through exhalation. Turn left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. This first we covered. Now second. Sit in same in position. Okay. Now take a deep breath and bend your knee in forward direction and try to touch your chin. See. Through exhalation, bend your head in forward direction and try to touch your chin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Again same in backward direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Okay. Now third is raise your right hand and keep your leg hand like this, left hand. Now bend your arm. Okay. Inhale and turn right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It helps to stretch this neck muscle. Okay. Now same. Now raise your left hand. Inhale. Through exhalation. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Okay. We covered neck warm up. Now we'll cover back warm up. What to do for back warm up. Okay. Sitting same in Vajrasana. Stand on your knee. Now put your hands back side, called as a Ardha Ustrasana as well. Inhale. Hold for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Again, sit in Vajrasana. Okay, we covered 2 warm-ups which are mandatory for fish pose. If you are a beginner, time-wise, if you are a beginner, so please do this for 10 to 30 seconds. And if you have experience to, if you are doing everyday asanas, so you can do it from 1 minute to 3 minutes. There is no restriction, but please do it slowly. Don't force. Don't stretch too much. It will be a injury to your muscle. Okay. So don't do like that. If you have any question or comments, you can comment on my channel. I will answer. If you still have any questions, you can ask me. Okay. Now for Matsyasana, we have 3 variations. Okay. 3 variation I can. First one is simple, second is medium, and third is a final position. For final position, you need a Padmasana of good practice. Okay. So I will show one by one, variation 1, variation 2, and variation 3. And please do it slowly. Don't force or stretch. Okay. So let's start first variation. Cover this one. First, sit in Dandasana. Keep your legs stretched. Okay.
Start.
Okay. Sit in Dandasana and gently lie down on your back. Slowly. Okay. Say this. Okay. With the help of your elbow, just stand here. Now, inhale and lift up your chest. And turn your head back side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now release. Your exhalation. Again. Come in Dandasana. This is the first variation. If you want to start Matsyasana, you can follow first variation. Do this for 10 days. After 10 days, you can go to the next variation. That is the second variation. So now I will show second variation. Same position, sit in Dandasana. Okay. Now lie down on your back. Slowly. Okay. Now lift your arms. Bend your arms. Okay. With the help of your hand support, you can lift your chest, and with the help of head, you can stand. See. You can keep your arms like this or this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you see, you will feel more stretch in back area than neck. That's the reason we did warm up, and it helps to stretch your throat and face muscle. That's the reason it helps to glow your skin. Okay, now I'm releasing this posture. Again, come and sit in Dandasana. The final, which is tough, but you can do after 20 days. This is a 1 month asana. You can do practice every day. Okay. Now I will move to the third variation, that is Matsyasana. For this third variation, you need a good practice of Padmasana. Okay. If you want to start this, so please sit minimum 30 to 40 seconds before doing this asana. You can sit 30 seconds in Padmasana. After 30 seconds, you can start this asana. Okay. Now let's see. First, sit in Padmasana. Now gently lie down on your back. Okay. This is called as a back bending as well. Okay. Now see how I am doing. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Now you can see I have seated in Padmasana. Okay. Now try to touch your thighs to floor. Okay. This is not compulsory. You can keep like this as well. After a good practice, you can touch your thighs to floor. Okay. I have a practice, that's why I am doing easily. You can see here, abdominal muscles are getting stretched. Okay. Now I will do this. Again, lift your arms. Okay. Now bend your arm with the help of. Okay. Lift your inhale and lift your chest. And you can see Matsyasana. Okay, now you can keep your hands like this. This is the final pose. You can see your back in arc pose, arc, and neck as well. For this asana have a lot of benefits. You can try this every day. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now see how to release this asana. First, take a help of your hand. Now release. Then release from Padmasana. Leg straight. Now do. Now you see all the asana 3 variations which I explained in detail. So Matsyasana, it's a fish pose. So please follow 3 variations which I explained in my video. Okay. So please don't skip video. You can watch full video because step by step I have explained and it will help to your knowledge as well. Now come to the benefits part, which is the important part. First is it helps to glow your skin. Second is it stretches your throat and face muscles. That's the reason it will help to glow your skin. Second, it helps to stretch your back and neck muscles. Okay, neck and back muscles. Third, it we can call as if you have asthma, so you can do this asana. It will release. It will help to release from asthma, but do it slowly. Don't do immediately. Go to final stage and do it. Okay? Don't do like that. Fourth is it improves your digestive system, which is very important in nowadays. Okay. Now we'll come to the fourth. It helps to reduce your weight as well. And fifth is it reduces your belly fat. I have shown you when you come in Padmasana, then you will back bend, right? When you lie down on your back, then it stretches your abdominal muscle as well. And sixth is you are sitting in Padmasana, and after Padmasana you are lie down on your back. Then it stretches your back muscles and groin area as well. Whatever benefits you are getting in Padmasana, all benefits you will get in this Matsyasana. So that's the reason Matsyasana is very important. I hope you enjoy my video, and please follow my all video. This is my, I think, sixth episode. You can watch full video from first to sixth episode. If you have any question or comments, you can comment on my channel. I will answer you. Please don't be hesitant. You can ask any tough question or silly question. I will answer. Second, if you want to, if you are wishing, if you want to wish any asana, I can do. So you can comment there. I will help you do this. Okay. I hope this information is enough for today's session. And as usual, please do subscribe my channel, like, share. If somebody wants to start yoga, you can share my video with them, and obviously he will start. I have shown in very basic knowledge. You can start from first to last episode. Okay. Thank you very much.